Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you've been quarantined at home like me and you're tired of your raggedy hair, then this tutorial is for you. So I was really glad when this hair was sent to me from Shake and Go Hair Company, and the name of the hair is called Nature's Touch. I love how soft and fluffy this hair is, so I decided to go for the natural look. So I'm quickly gonna take out my hair. I've had this cornrow for a while. I washed the hair a few days ago, so I'm gonna take it out and just apply some heat protectant and just stretch out my hair with the blow dryer so it's easy to cornrow. So I'm also going to apply some oil so it's easy to stretch out before applying the heat all over my hair. So I'm taking the clip and tucking the rest of the hair away while I blow dry the hair in sections, so it's just much easier for me. And I'm using my Denman brush, that way it's not tangling or anything like that. And I'm not putting in too much heat. I'm just gonna put it in just to be able to stretch it out a little bit so it's make it easy for me to do. So I'm done blow drying, so I'm just gonna comb it out to make sure there is no tangling or anything like that in my hair, and I'm just gonna part it according to the size of the cornrows. I want the cornrows to be about 10 to 11, and when you're doing this, you don't really have to care about the part, because trust me, it's not gonna show. It's gonna be under the hair. So I'm gonna go in by starting with the extension hair. I'm gonna slide my index finger right in the middle and place it on top of my natural hair. And if you're a beginner in doing cornrows, or you don't know how to do cornrows, I'm gonna put a link in the description box down below, so check it out on how to do cornrows for beginner. It's pretty much easy. You can also watch the way I'm doing it. And if you have any questions, also please don't forget to leave it down below in the comment section. So I braided the first one to the other side of my hair, so I'm going to join it all together at the hands. So as you can see, I'm joining the first cornrow to the second cornrow. I'm joining it together, and it's all gonna be joined together with the rest of the ones that I do. So I'm done with the cornrows. So I have about 11 cornrows in my hair, and as you can see, it's all joined together. And like I said, do not worry about defining the part. So I'm gonna go in with the Jamaican black castor oil. I'm gonna apply it on my scalp so it's moisturized, it's not dry and itchy, because that's what causes your hair not to last long. You don't want the flakiness and patches and all of that. So I'm gonna start with the hair. It comes like a bundle like that, and they have like 2 in each pack of the hair. So I ended up using about 2.5 packs of hair. So it's already pretty much sectioned out. So I'm just gonna take it one by one and take my crochet hook and just slide it right in underneath the cornrows. So I'm gonna keep repeating the same process all over again. So you take your hook, slide the hair on top of the hook, and slide it right under your cornrows. And also please check the description box down below on the information about the hair and discount and everything. It's going to be in the description box down below, so please check it out. So as you can see, it's already coming together and it's looking natural, which is what I really love about this hair, making it look as if it's my own natural hair. And I pretty much just follow the pattern of the braid, which is why I did it straight back, so it's easy to follow and to do. And the good thing about this is the fact that it's gonna be versatile. You can part it anyhow you want it, so it's not just, so you're not bored or stuck with just one look. Also, one of the things I love about this hair is the fact that you can do different kinds of style with it. You can do Mali twist and you can also do kinky twist with this hair. So I'm just showing you guys real quick that you can also do twist with this hair if that's what you want. But I wanted something quick, so that's why I'm going for this look. And I also wanted something that would look natural as much as possible, and that's gonna be easy to take out. So it's up to you, whichever style that you want to do with this hair. So who knows, I might change it to Mali twist or kinky twist anytime. And this is how it looks. You can see how soft and silky that is, even in twist. So I'm just gonna take it out because that's not what we're going for today. So as you can see, it goes right back to its natural state. So I decided to finish the hair the next morning because it was getting dark, but the whole style took me about 90 minutes, about an hour and a half to do, which is one of the coolest thing about this hairstyle. So for the back, I cut the hair into two equal parts because I don't want the back to be longer than the front. So I wanted it to be the same length all around. So you want to cut it into two if you want to have the same length as mine. But if you want it longer, it's up to you. So I'm just filling in the back to make sure there is no spaces or anything like that showing in the back. And I'm just checking in to make sure it's as full as I want. I don't want it too long and too full at the same time. So I'm just gonna trim it down a little bit in the back. And that's pretty much it for the back. So this is how it's look right now. So I'm just gonna go in a little bit and just trim out the sides and the fronts to make sure it's exactly the way I want it to look. I don't want it looking too long. I love the fact that I can part it the way I want. Look at that hairline, look at how natural that is. So if you want, you can put it in the middle, like a middle part, and you can also put it in the side. I was feeling the side parts more, so I'm gonna put it back in on the side. And here is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. If you do, please don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe button. Also follow me on Instagram at sooooo112, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there, and have a blessed day. Bye.